Hi everyone, I'm Bevy and welcome to Bevy Sense. Today I'm in a festive mood because I cannot wait to bring in the new year. So today's note is champagne. We're going to be looking at the champagne note in fragrances. So I've got 5 fragrances for you. 4 of them are blind buys and 1 of them is an unboxing. Let's see what I've got to share with you. My first fragrance that I have to share with you today is Gucci's Première Eau de Toilette. This one. She's pretty. Ooh, you get the champagne right off the top. This is really heady. Floral beauty. Oh my goodness. It's just a sparkling burst of a bouquet. It's starting to settle down really fast. Now it's just light and floral. There's supposed to be jasmine in here, freesia, rose, and musk. I'm not getting that yet. It's a little bit in the background, but it's mostly like this really light, feminine, beautiful floral bouquet. I'm thinking summertime for sure. Spring, summer, this would be perfect. But right now it's fall, winter, and I'd wear this indoors because it makes you feel good. That champagne note, oh my God, it's such a pick-me-up, and it's such a feminine, floral, beautiful scent. This is just going to make you feel good. So I like it. Next up is Azzaro's Pour Elle. This is a beauty right here. Look at that bottle. Oh my goodness. She's gorgeous. That was a good spray. Ooh. She's tingling and sparkling. That must be the champagne note right off the top. Sweet and zesty. Oh, this is a happy fragrance. There's sweetness, powderiness. Oh my goodness, this is delicious. I did try this on and it is amazing. It doesn't end the way it starts, but the champagne note stays with it for like a good 6 hours, and then poof, it's a cashmere note. Cashmerean. Just all of a sudden, poof, just like that. Which isn't bad, because this thing's been with you all day, and by the end of the day, you want to snuggle up into something cozy and warm and comfortable. And it's like, it's right there with you. Cozy, warm, cashmere, woolly sweater smell. It's perfect. And now, 212 VIP Rosé by Carolina Herrera. I hope I said that right. I love the marketing of this. It says, "Are you on the list?" ? I'm on no list right now because there isn't any list. I'm just hoping I'm on Santa's list this year. Really, that's about it. But here's the bottle. There she is. It's kind of fresh on the top. And boozy. If that's a champagne, she's very dry. It's supposed to be champagne and fruity notes on top. It is sweet. Not really getting fruits, just sweetness. There's a light floral. I want to try this on skin. Yes, on me it's a floral musk. The dry down's supposed to be a base of woods, musk, amber. I'm getting musk with a little bit of the warmth of the amber. It's definitely floral, musky scent. It's light, it's feminine, it's great for the daytime. The champagne note is only on the top. It kicks it off. It's the kind of scent that would make you feel great, just spraying it on. Great for every day. Next, Lady Million Empire by PACO Rabanne. There she is. An absolutely gorgeous bottle. You press down on top. Woo! There we go. Woo! Oh my goodness. Boozy, and she's sweet and vanillic, fruity. Wow. This is in my list because the first time I smelled this, I got strawberries and champagne right off the top of this. Oh, this does not have champagne in it. It has cognac, but to me, I get strawberries and champagne. Don't ask me why. This is like a floral cocktail with that boozy note, oof, all the way through there. I don't know what note is in there that's making it sparkle like that or giving that strawberry feel to it. But it's delicious. I instantly wanted to be out for brunch. It made me think strawberry, champagne, waffles, whipped cream, brunch. Unbelievable. Sweet, delicious, oof. And then it dies down to this floral balm. Oh my God, this is perfect for brunch with the girls. I can't wait for the summertime to be wearing this out in the patio, having brunch, complete with champagne and strawberries. To me, delicious. I loved this. And it smells different on skin, I think. It's probably not a safe blind buy. I don't have any of the other PACO Rabanne in this series. Not Lucky, not Lady Million. I'm glad that I got to try this one first because it was a delightful surprise. This is Yvresse by Yves Saint Laurent. She's beautiful. My first Yves Saint Laurent. I've wanted this for so long. I'd completely forgotten. It used to be called something else. And I didn't believe the sales girl when she told me, oh, the name had been changed. I was like, okay, she doesn't know which fragrance I'm looking for. I want the one that smells like champagne. And the name to me, I'm like, what do you mean they changed the name? And then I went back and I tried it and she was right. It was the same. And I've been meaning to get back to that fragrance, but I've totally forgotten. And then I saw it for a reasonable price, and so I picked it up. I'm gonna have to try this on. Oh yeah, it's a little strong still. Oh, there she goes, there she goes. It's got that dry champagne. Oh my goodness. Well, you know what my scent of the day is. Just saying. Ooh, probably not as champagne-y as I remembered. But it's light and airy and this one's just for me. Because it's been a crazy year and I am looking forward to bringing in the new year with champagne. And I'm going to start with this one. And probably mix it with all the others that I tried today. Nice. I found her again. I don't know if this is the original champagne that I remember. It was so realistic. This is a restrained champagne note, much lighter. This has notes of nectarine, lychee, violet, rose, and patchouli. The original one had way more notes. This is definitely more restrained, but I just took it out of the box, so let me play with it for a while. If you have Yvresse, let me know. Do you think it smells like champagne? Which version do you have? That's my champagne list, guys. I'm going to leave the names of the fragrances in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching. And if you haven't subscribed, please do and turn on your notifications. And we can do this again all next year after the festive season is over. And if you'd like to support me, you can always buy me a coffee. Bye. Happy New Year.